subject and verb agreement. Part 2. According to 6th rule, a singular verb is used when the words are joined to a singular subject by with, along with, and as well as. Here in a sentence, if words like with, along with, and as well as is used to join singular subject with other words, then singular verb is used. The boy along with his father was going to the market. Here, singular verb was is used as the words along with are joining singular boy to father. According to 7th rule, singular verb follows if two or more singular subjects are connected by or nor. Obama or Clinton is going to become the next president of United States. Here, singular verb is used in the sentence as two or more singular subjects, Obama, Clinton, are connected by or. According to 8th rule, verb takes plural form when the plural subject is placed next to the verb and any one of the subjects joined by or nor. Saurabh or his friends are responsible for the mess created in the room. Here, plural verb are is used as the plural subject friends has been used close to the verb of the sentence and has been joined by a or to another subject, Saurabh. Rule 9. According to the 9th rule, singular verb is used when words like either, each, everyone, and neither are used. Everyone is allowed to leave. Here, singular verb is has been used when everyone is used in the sentence as the subject. Rule 10. According to the 10th rule, when two singular subjects are joined by and there is also the use of words like each and every with it, the verb that follows is singular. Each orange and each apple costs 10 rupees. Here, singular verb costs follows as two singular subjects, orange, apple, are joined by and there is also the use of words each with the two singular subjects.